Hello everyone, welcome to our English Express channel. Today let's get started with parts of speech. In English, there are generally considered to be 8 major parts of speech. Here is a brief explanation of each part. First one is noun. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing or idea. Here is the example for noun: cat, city, love. Second one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. In short form, instead of noun is a pronoun. For example, he, she, they. Third one is verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or a state of being. For example, run, sing, ace. This is the example of verb. Fourth one is adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Example for noun is happy, tall, red. Fifth one is adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For examples, quickly, very, well. Sixth one is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in, on, at. Seventh one is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. For examples, and, but, or. Eighth one is interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express strong emotion or surprise. Examples of interjection: wow, ho, hooray. The study of parts of speech is a fundamental aspect of grammar and language learning. I really thank you so much for watching this video.